Quick question. Have you ever said something in English and then thought, wait, was that right? Or maybe you said something wrong and you didn't even realize it. Because honestly, most English learners make the same mistakes every single day. And the problem is, nobody tells them. So today, I'm going to tell you 3 common mistakes English learners make and exactly how to fix them. Let's go. Welcome back to English with Sam. This channel is for anyone who wants to speak English more naturally, more confidently, and more correctly. Whether you're a beginner or you've been learning for years, you're in the right place. And today, we're focusing on 3 mistakes that even good English learners still make. So if you recognize yourself, don't worry, that's normal. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do instead. Mistake number 1, using make and do the wrong way. This one confuses almost everyone. Make and do. 2 very simple words, but English learners mix them up all the time. And honestly, it's not your fault, because in many languages, there's only one word for both. But in English, they're different. And the difference matters. Here's the simple way to think about it. We use make when we create something that did not exist before and now it does. We use do when we talk about an activity or a task, something you perform or complete. Let's look at some examples. You make a coffee, you make a mistake, you make a decision, you make a plan. But you do your homework, you do exercise, you do the dishes, you do your best. Now listen to this sentence. I did a mistake. That is wrong. We say I made a mistake. Because a mistake is something you create, so you make it. Another example. Can you make me a favor? No. We say, can you do me a favor? At first, this might feel confusing, but the more you hear it and the more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Mistake number 2, confusing since and for. This one trips up even advanced learners. Since and for. Both are used when we talk about time, but they are not the same. Here's the difference. We use for when we talk about a duration, a length of time. We use since when we talk about a starting point, a specific moment in time. Let's look at examples. I've been learning English for 3 years. 3 years is a duration, so we use for. I haven't been learning English since 2021. 2021 is a starting point, so we use since. Another example. I haven't eaten for 6 hours. Duration. I haven't eaten since breakfast. Starting point. So here is the question you should ask yourself. Am I talking about how long? Use for. Am I talking about when it started? Use since. I've lived here for 2 years. I've lived here since I was a child. Simple idea, but it makes a big difference. Mistake number 3, using a and an the wrong way. Now, this one is interesting because most people think they know the rule, but they actually misunderstand it. Many learners think a before consonants, and before vowels. And yes, sometimes that works, but that is not the real rule. The real rule is about sound, not letters. We use a before a consonant sound. We use an before a vowel sound. Let me show you why this matters. Take the word hour. It starts with the letter H, but we don't pronounce the H. We say hour. So the first sound is a vowel sound. So we say an hour, not a hour. Another example. Honest. Again, silent H. So we say an honest person. Now look at this. University. It starts with U, but we pronounce it U. That is a consonant sound. So we say a university. Same with European. We say European. So a European country. So remember this. Don't look at the letter, listen to the sound. That's the key. Quick recap. 3 mistakes, 3 simple fixes. Make and do. Make is for creating. Do is for actions. For and since. For is duration. Since is a starting point. A and an. It depends on the sound, not the letter. Fix these 3 things and your English will immediately sound more natural. And that's it for today. I really hope this was useful. If it was, press the like button and leave a comment below. Tell me, which mistake do you make the most? I read every single comment and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.